After buying a half-destroyed Amel Super Maramu, burning out the gearbox on a 300 nautical mile motor to the refit yard, then being adrift for hours, to being rescued by a transport vessel, then attempting to push our broken vessel 16 nautical miles with a dinghy out of port. Today, we are finally getting towed to our refit yard. I'm so happy about it.
So happy.
So happy. To say the journey so far has been challenging is a big understatement. With only 70 nautical miles left, we are ready to get this refit started.
We're at the spot where we intended to be all along.
G'day. It is morning. We are getting towed this morning. I'm so happy about it.
So happy.
So happy.
So stoked.
We are on our final leg to the boat yard where we're going to get hauled out. And my goodness, it's been a bit of a mission. So the guys have just sent a live location of where they are, and they're really not far away at all. There is one small mission of today, which is picking up the anchor. I'm probably going to turn the generator on, and hopefully that'll provide enough power to the batteries and we can pick up the anchor, no worries. We let pretty much all the chain out yesterday. I wanted to be more safe than sorry. So
we slept pretty.
And I slept great.
We sat pretty.
Oh, we sat pretty?
Yes.
Yes.
We didn't move.
No,
so
we didn't move
drag.
at all. We didn't drag at all, which is quite nice. Had an anchor alarm on just in case, but no, it all turned out alright.
Yeah. It's actually really nice to wake up at like an anchorage again.
Bit of wind in the windows.
Yeah, just
no mosquitoes.
Just like the good old days, you know?
Yeah, for sure. So we have a center cockpit vessel coming. I think it's got two 200s or two 300s, I'm not sure. One thing they asked while we were talking about doing this was for me to buy some fuel and have it with us. So I've actually got 100 litres of petrol, which I bought the other day from the service station. So when they arrive, I think we're going to be shoving over some fuel over to them so they don't run out. I think if we can go 6 knots, we'll probably get in around midnight. That's like the good time to get in. If we can't go 6 knots, then we're probably going to be getting around 1 or 2, I'm not sure. So we'll see what speed we produce once we're under tow. But yes, it will be interesting because Isabel and I will also have to steer while they are towing. We cannot just lock the rudder straight, I don't think, because the boat will veer off and it will make really hard towing for them. So we actually have to steer our vessel while they steer theirs. Isabel and I will be doing rotating shifts of like 3 hours, 2 hours probably the daytime and 3 hours probably at night time. So yeah, it's still going to be a little bit difficult, but we're just happy, we're just ecstatic to finally be almost at our haul out destination.
Look at these mangoes. Aren't they just the prettiest thing ever? Just wanna...
How's it go?
I'm fruit prepping, making a little fruit bowl. The fruit here is unreal. Dragon fruit, I think it was $2 American for 4 big ones, and like heaps of mangoes.
Bargains to be had.
For the same price, like
bargains to be had, babe.
Oh, amazing! Love it, heaven.
So, how ecstatic are you to be picked up right now? Because they've just arrived.
Yeah, they just slowed down.
They're
very excited.
Yeah, so they're filling up on fuel at the moment because they've got some fuel to put in their tanks. Yeah. I told them they should come across and we can give them our fuel.
Yeah. Amazing.
Amazing. I connected the bow?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm coming now.
Pangkor Island Marina is the yard where we have been trying to get to for some time now. After the incident of our gearbox failing and getting towed into Port Klang, we contacted Pangkor Island Marina. They were most helpful in organising a towboat to travel the 70 nautical miles up to us and then to proceed to tow us back.
Okay, bentar.
So what's happening is he's going to tow us forward. We're just going to test the whole tow setup, make sure that's okay, and then once we realise that's okay, then I'm going to start hauling up the anchor. The generator, I've just turned the generator on and that's working perfectly, so everything's looking pretty good.
Alright, so right now we're just getting prepared to pull up anchor. We had a lot of chain out last night. There is a lot of line between us and the other boat. I think they want to, yeah. I think they want to keep their distance from us. Kieran just turned the anchor on and look at that.
Check our line.
Yeah, roger, I see it.
On the port side and heading to the north now.
Roger that. Controlling steering.
And we're being towed! Not for the first time with this vessel, but for the second time. It's going quite well actually. I'm a bit skeptical how they tied on the lines on the bow, but it's alright. If they snap, they snap. We just redo it. We're doing 5.5 knots, which is good, you know? Normal speed for Merriweather. We're happy. We're moving. How good? How's the captain feeling?
Yeah, quite well. They're just speeding up the tow now. We've just gone up to almost 6, 5.5, 6. Very happy to be underway. It was a little bit stressful tying up and doing all those sorts of things. Their boat was moored onto us and yeah, it was bouncing into the boat a little bit. But other than that, very happy. So to give you an idea of how fast we're going, let me stick the camera out the back. This looks like we're absolutely flying. So with this size vessel, we should be able to get, you know, 8-9 knots on any given day, as long as the wind's strong enough. Right now we're doing 7. So it's just so crazy to me to think that we can actually go faster than this on sail. It's quick, it's very quick, but I think the bigger boat, it's going to be a lot better when when cruising around the world, when the wind's really strong, we have multiple different sails to take all the different loads. Ah man, I'm looking forward to it, really looking forward to it.
Good evening everybody! I just realized I haven't vlogged that much today, so I decided to do that when I'm on the helm. The sun is about to set, which is lovely because it's not as warm anymore. We are not far off it now. It's 7 o'clock, which is like 2.5 hours left. It's amazing. It feels really, really good. Kieran is now behind me just trying to fix the nav lights that we got from these guys. Because of the boat was in the crash under the cargo ship, there is no nav lights on this boat. We do have 2 lights that are working, but they're just clear. So they were kind enough to buy us 2 nav lights.
Broken lights.
But
They
yes,
bought us bloody broken lights.
we cannot get them to work. So Kieran, obviously an electrician, and I was like, you can deal with this. So now he's sitting and trying to figure it out. Otherwise, we're eating bananas and listening to a lot of podcasts. Anything to add, darling? Thoughts, feelings, concerns?
I'm very much looking forward to arriving. I'm very much looking forward to chilling out with a beer in my hand.
Oh.
There's some lovely sunset going on over there.
Yeah. It's really beautiful. There's some islands out here as well.
Look, nah, not anymore. He crashed the boat.
Okay. It's about 9:30 and we just reached the fuel dock here. Got amazing help coming into the dock and we are secure. We're in Pangkor. Feels absolutely amazing. Slightly bit tired and sunburn and whatnot, but it feels great. Really, really, really good.
Merry weather. Wow, we made it in record time, I think. 9:30. We were saying when we first started out it could be 2 a.m. and oh man, so stoked. So very happy to be here. I want to give a special thank you to the guys at Pangkor. They had done a wonderful job. They supported us. As soon as we brought them with the issue, they took it on head on, and yeah, we're gonna go to sleep. I'm stuffed. Have a shower. Been sweating all day. Ugh, ugh. And finally we have arrived at the place where we're going to haul out. Start the repair off. Good night, guys. Ooh, wow, it is toasty out here. So right now we are looking at getting hauled out. They just put a boat into the water. We just saw them get put on the arm here, and I think it's going to be our turn next to get hauled out, which is very exciting. Very, very exciting. Oh, there's a guy right here. I gotta go.
Hello, hello, hello. Hi.
Yeah, we have someone steering.
Sorry about that. I'm not steering the boat and we are getting hauled out in just a couple minutes. It is very exciting. We want to get hauled out for a very long time now, and now it's finally happening. They are fishing us with their dinghies. I don't know how many guys are helping us.
To the right a bit, baby.
Yeah? I don't know what they want me to do, so you tell me.
Just listen to me. Come straight.
Yeah, this is pretty much straight.
Okay, good. Hold straight. And yeah, keep coming left. And aim directly for the center now. Come left.
And hard left.
Hard left. Hard left. Hard left.
It is hard left.
Yep. So we've just been pushed onto our trailer. Just going to haul us out. It's been the first time I've been hauled out by a trailer before. Well done, darling.
Thanks. A bit tricky to see without all this stuff. We're actually getting hauled out right now. I've never been on the boat when we're getting hauled out. They were telling us, you know, get off the boat and understandably. This is very, very interesting experience. Quite strange because you can't see what's going on underneath, but these guys seem to know what they're doing, so wow.
We're looking at our new baby in the background over here. There she is. And I just said, Isabel, it is a sexy looking boat. The lines are just very, very smooth. I don't know how to explain it, but when you see a boat and you just love the look of it, I'm really, really enjoying the look of our new boat. Out of the water, she still looks so streamlined. The boys are just doing their work on it right now, scraping some of the barnacles off, pressure washing it, and hopefully we're going to slot it right in here. This is our new spot. It's a little bit skinny, but we'll make it work. Yeah, you were just sitting here with this like defeated look on your face.
No, it is just, I feel like it's 40 degrees and it's very hot. But I'm happy, very happy. She's finally out of the water. Again, should I say. We're at the spot where we intended to be all along. Very happy about that. And yeah, hopefully we'll put the mast on, well, lift the mast from the bow tomorrow and the work can get started.
Ooh. Positioning a vessel on the hard can sometimes be a scary process. The boys at Pangkor Island Marina handled it with ease and made us feel very secure in the amount of support they gave the vessel. We are so happy to finally start our refit.